Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a drive up Hagley Park Road from 3 miles. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, remember to like, comment as well. That will help spread the video. So we're taking a drive up Hagley Park Road. Come along. We're approaching Hagley Park and Waltham. This is the intersection here. Seems as if this stoplight is out, so you have to be careful when you're driving these routes. There's also a lot of open holes on the road and a lot of manual covers that are very high risen, so you have to be careful as well, especially if your vehicle is low. For example, this right here is one of those high risen manual covers. You have to be careful. And there's another one up here. Go up a bit closer for you guys right here. So you have to be careful. I know these manual cover are huge. They also have open holes on the road. Have to watch out for those as well. You can also see the speed of which the taxi and buses are driving. I guess they're so excited that the road is almost finished, so that, you know, they're making as best of it as possible. They're driving very fast despite, you know, the obstacles. It's like an obstacle course. Alright guys, so we're basically in halfway tree. So that was 3 miles to halfway tree via Hagley Park Road. Remember to share your comments. Remember to like the video. Remember to subscribe if you're new. We're about to end the video anywhere here. Just heading to around the transport center, and then we end the video on that side. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the next video.